Hi, I'm James Hayes. I'm a PhD student at the Israeli School of Architecture and Urbanism and a researcher at the Carleton Immersive Media Studio. We're working on a research project with Public Works and Government Services Canada on the rehabilitation of the West Block building on Parliament Hill. The West Block is currently a rather complex construction site. The interiors have been gutted and stripped down basically to bare bones to the original masonry structure. We're working with Public Works to capture the interior, mainly using laser scanning. So a laser scanner is a device that shoots out a laser approximately 30,000 times per second. So it captures a 360-degree view of each room, and it creates what is called a point cloud. So it's a series of millions of points that creates a 3D model of the space. We're working with Public Works to come up with diverse applications for the point cloud, anywhere from creating architectural drawings to visualization, and ultimately we're creating a building information model of the West Block. So a computer model, again, that will aid in the life cycle management of the building, could be used for energy audits, for a variety of uses over the lifetime of the building. What we have here is a replica of an arch from the West Block building on Parliament Hill. This replica was fabricated at the School of Architecture at Carleton. On the left-hand side, you can see the existing condition where the stone has been eroded, and on the right-hand side is the rehabilitated side. So it's what we think that the arch would look like after it's been rehabilitated. We've moved to a different lab at SIMS here, and these are some of the artifacts that have been captured and fabricated from the West Block. This is a grotesque, this is a scale model of a gargoyle-type figure, and it's been created using a 3D printer. So the 3D printer is an additive fabrication. It lays down many layers of ABS plastic, and slowly over time it builds up to create the model. As well, this is a replica of a Capitol that is on the West Block. And you can see here that part of the stone has been broken off. And the goal of using this fabrication technology is to hopefully have architects and the craftspeople who will do the repairs work more closely.